Okay, yeah, it's Sunday. I've been working all morning, but now we need to do a little bit of meal prepping. So I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. I'm making 3 things. I'm not making full meals. One thing y'all have already seen, which is the breakfast sandwiches. I'm just remaking that because it was a hit and everybody really loved it. So I got more English muffins. This time I just did a Sam's Club pickup order. And got 12 of them, so I'm gonna make 12 breakfast sandwiches. I got more of the turkey sausage patties, and I got more cheese. So I'm gonna put that together, pop them in the fridge, easy peasy. The only thing I gotta cook is the eggs. Second, I'm gonna make more ground beef. In the last video I made ground beef, I'm making it again. It's easy, it's quick, and everybody loves it, so it doesn't make sense to switch it up. So I'm gonna make 3 pounds of ground beef, just season it and cook it in a pan, break it up, make it like into crumbles, and then that way we can have it in rice bowls, and then it's only gonna last for 2-3 days in this house. And then the third thing I'm gonna make is chicken thighs, yet again, chop them up, season them really well, put them in the air fryer. Those can also go in rice bowls. And then and that's it really. Although I do want to try making the blueberry muffin bowls. I feel like I can do that in the morning. I don't need to do that in advance, just because it's just pancake mix, protein powder, and blueberries. Oh, and milk. I can just throw that together in the morning. I don't need to do that as a separate meal prep. I don't feel like. There should be leftover sausages, so if I don't want the breakfast sandwiches, I want to do the blueberry muffin, and I want to have a protein with it in addition to the like protein powder that's in it. I can just have a turkey sausage patty, and I think that's it. I think for dinner tonight I'm gonna make spaghetti. Ooh, let me grab ground turkey. Yeah. The what? You gotta make sure that it's lit. So unplug it and plug it back so it can be lit up. Okay, all I have to do is thaw out the ground turkey. I like to put kielbasa in my spaghetti, so that's already in the fridge. I don't have to thaw that out. Here's the ground turkey, and I'm gonna thaw this, and then that's it. So get this into some water. The ground beef is already thawed. And then there's already some rice in the fridge. Whenever we run out of that, whenever we run out of that, I'll make more rice, just a really big thing of it, and put it in the fridge again. That way there will always be a constant supply of chicken, beef, rice. And then we can add corn and black beans to make like the chicken burrito bowl kind of things. We can add cucumber and green onion to the beef to make the like teriyaki yum yum bowls that I showed y'all in the last video. It just gives us a lot of options, and we all really enjoy rice bowls. So for the next couple days for lunches and maybe like an easy dinner, if I don't choose to make something else, this will work. And then also have some frozen salmon and some frozen shrimp, so I can make the salmon's already pre-portioned. Let me show y'all. All right, salmon is already pre-portioned. And all you got to do is take one out. It's already pre-seasoned, pre-portioned. I run it under some hot water to get it loose from this packet. Cut it out, put it in some foil, and then air fry it or broil it. And all I add to it is Old Bay. But I'm going to stop talking y'all heads off, and we're going to go ahead and just make the sandwiches, the beef, and the chicken. Okay, chicken is ready. Ground beef is ready. I'm about to make myself a rice bowl for Christmas. All the breakfast sandwiches are ready. They're in here, even though the kids are eating them already. And Bernie, but here is Bernie's for his lunch. And then, oh, let me back y'all up. Here are all the extras. And yeah, so that meal prep is done. Oh, I should have did a little picture. After I get everything into containers, I should. Hand me that spoon with the slots in it. Actually,
that's a spatula.
Is that accent
never mind.
Stuff? Is that flavor
Enhancer? Yeah.
Is it MSG?
Yes.
Are you watching?
All right, y'all. Rice bowl for lunch with some leftover chicken, corn, black beans, cilantro, tomato. And then I'm just gonna, I already added some lime juice. And then I'm gonna try this
French toast steaks.
creamy jalapeno dressing. Okay, y'all, we had a major snowstorm. If you live on the East Coast, you probably did too. It is just straight up so much snow. And it's supposed to keep snowing until 10 o'clock tonight. It is right now not even light outside yet. It's like 6, almost 7 a.m.